Been kind of quiet lately. Just another Saturday in North Texas. Decided not to go bracket racing, so we kind of been hanging out here at the house the last few days. Boy finally decided to get after it on this car, so we may actually wind up putting an LS motor in this car. The 6.0 that we have has already been fired, started, ready to run. Anybody who knows can tell me what that is. So this was a Ford with a Chevrolet transmission in it to start anyways. So we're going to wind up putting a 6-liter in this thing. But time will tell. Let me know what y'all think. But just another project here at Sarge's Garage.